Welcome back, guys. Trying to get home safe. Fucking crazy out here right now. Good morning, everybody. Say what's up, Daniel.
What up?
So we're snowed in up here in Reno, Nevada. We came up here for the Super Bowl. And by the way, the Super Bowl sucked. The worst game I've seen in my life. And I lost a bunch of money because the Rams just totally choked. Anyways, we're up there in Reno. We're snowed in. The roads are closed, Highway 80. So we don't know how long we're gonna be here. They're supposed to open up later on this afternoon, probably around 1 o'clock or so. But we'll see what happens. But currently it's like blizzard conditions. There's a whole bunch of water in the road, I guess from a river, like mudslide and stuff like that. But we're gonna make the best of the day. Me and Daniel, we're gonna figure out something to do. We just pulled up to Denny's right now. We're about to get some food, get some breakfast, and then we're gonna go from there. You got anything to say about it, Danny?
No.
Nothing at all?
I'm just sad because I can't go home right now.
Danny just wants to go home. He's sad.
Yeah.
We're stuck in Nevada, guys.
Yeah, we're stuck.
We're stuck. Send help. We're gonna have to start a GoFundMe because we're out of money. We don't have any money, no place to stay.
We lost all the money.
We lost all the money. We got nothing. We're almost out of gas. All right, time to get some breakfast. Out here in Reno, snowing. Just got Danny. See, I like to live my life dangerous, you know? I knew there was gonna be a blizzard. I knew there was gonna be a storm, but we don't care, right?
No, we don't.
Good old Reno, Nevada. After you, baby.
Thank you, sweetheart.
That's it. What are we gonna eat, Daniel?
I don't know. Let's figure it out.
Go ahead, baby. About to win me one of these. Got me some country fried steak, some eggs, some hash browns, got some toast. You gotta have a chocolate milk. If you don't like chocolate milk, then we can't be friends. What'd you get, Danny?
T-bone?
T-bone steak? What's that, eggs, hash browns,
Water.
some coffee. About to put some of this Cholula hot sauce on my shit. Or should I put Tabasco on it? Which one, guys? Tabasco or Cholula? Am I saying that right? Cholula? Cholula? Cholula. Cholula. Roll that shit down. What the fuck? Weather is bipolar. Now we're in another snowstorm. We got blue skies. Unbelievable. Unreal. Unreal.